We're in the water park.
Hi guys, so happy new year. We're here at West Edmonton Mall to celebrate the new year, and we're gonna go for a swim at their largest water park, right, Kendrick?
And it's the 31st of December.
And we'll see you later. Bye. Hello again guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is ysay and I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So today guys is December 31st, and it's New Year's Day, and me and my friends and my family decided to spend the new year here at West Edmonton Mall Water Park. So this is the they call the World Water Park. The ride the waves in the world's largest indoor wave pool. It is located in a tropical oasis that boasts an average temperature of 31 degrees. World Water Park features more than 17 unique water slides and play features to keep you and the whole family having fun for hours. The World Water Park, as what they call, is a water park located within the West Edmonton Mall in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Opened to the public in 1986, and it is the second largest indoor water park in North America after American DreamWorks Water Park, which opened on October 1st, 2020. It has a maximum capacity of 5,000 guests and an average air temperature of 31 degrees centigrade or 88 degrees Fahrenheit, and contains the world's largest indoor wave pool with a capacity of 12.5 million liters. Their slogan, as what they say, is wet, wild, and wonderful. The highest slides in the park are Twister, Sky Screamer, and Cyclone, which are all 25.3 meters or 83 feet high. In 2020, the World Water Park for the first time temporarily closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic in Canada. While some parts did not temporarily close, the whole park didn't close down until mid-March 2020. This wave pool has 4 active wave bays, each with 2 panels operated by a 1,500 horsepower hydraulic system, or 8 total active panels. And for many years, the 4 panels in the 2 outer wave bays have been disabled, apparently due to the waves being far too intense, resulting in injuries. Guests were being thrown into each other when all 12 panels were operating, as they were in the 1980s. Waves are generated in 10 minutes on, 5 minutes off sessions of approximately 1.2 to 1.5 meters, utilizing only the 8 active wave panels. It is arguably the most popular attraction in the park, as many swimmers, most with inner tubes, can be found bobbing in the water. The start of every session is marked with a loud air horn blast, warning swimmers to be ready for a wave to flip them over. Every now and then, the large crowd of people in the pool will jokingly scream after hearing the air horn, a common behavior among frequent users of the wave pool. Most evenings after regular park business hours, the Blue Thunder Wave Pool is used by clubs for surfing, kayaking, and stand-up paddleboarding. For these activities, the waves are often programmed for increased intensity and continuous operation. In September 2018, the water park underwent a $2.5 million renovation, including repainting the wave pool, renovated cabanas, additional bathrooms, new beach area, flooring, and upgraded signage. Edmonton Mall World Water Park has some new hours now. They are officially open 7 days a week, again with extended hours, Monday to Thursdays from 2 to 6 p.m. and Friday to Sunday from noon to 4 p.m. and Monday to Thursdays will also have a different price of $35. Enjoy the park whatever your age and level. So, in beginner's ride, you can ride the Caribbean, Cruiser, Dolphin Kiddie Pool, Caribbean Cove, Sunrunner, and Blue Thunder Wave Pool. And for intermediate rides, there is Blue Bullet, Corkscrew, Raging Rapids. And for expert rides, Howler, Twister, Thunderbolt Hurricane, located in the southwest corner of the park, and an inflatable ball within a ball that contains water and rotates, creating a slippery but smooth ride, often described as a cross between a waterfall and roller coaster, and the world's longest water slide, the first of its kind in Canada. And for extreme slides, and if you feel like a little bit more adventurous, you can also ride the Cyclone, Nessie's Revenge, Sky Screamer Extreme, and Tropical Typhoon. So yes guys, you have the whole day to enjoy all the slides and of course the wave pools. And if you don't like also the slides and you get a little bit scary, you can enjoy the wave pool itself. And it also has a zip line which costs a different price. So after the very exhausting day at the pool, we went to our hotel that we booked, and then we played some games for the kids as we wait for the new year. And the kids were having fun with all the different games and prizes during that night.
Shoulder, 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 Let's go.
And yes guys, it's New Year countdown. We all got our shares. We are very thankful for the friendship, for the happy moments that we spend with all our friends here in Canada, and for the lots of adventures of the 2021st, even though there's a lot of pandemic, but we still get to enjoy. So yes, cheers to the happy new year, and I hope you guys have a happy new year, and wishing you all another great and fantastic 2022 to come. So thank you for the friendship guys, and yes, join us for more adventures of 2022. And we had a very nice evening, so we started our 2022 with a blast. So we went back to West Edmonton Mall and enjoy the rides with the kids at Galaxyland. So this is also still inside the mall. As you can see, the West Edmonton Mall is the largest mall here in Canada. So yes, it has an indoor rides, a lot of rides here, so the kids got to enjoy a whole day pass wherein they can ride all the rides that they can. So yes, not only the kids enjoy but also the daddies. So I hope you have a happy new year guys, and if you come visit Alberta, don't skip the West Edmonton Mall because it has a lot of things to see and a lot of experience to enjoy. So happy new year guys, and enjoy your 2022. God bless, be safe, and I'll see you on my next video.